Hey everybody, welcome back. This is a Dollar General breakdown for September the 24th for the 5 off of 25. That's this Saturday at Dollar General, the 5 off of 25. Make sure you get what your household needs. This is just some ideas to give you to get to $25. Make sure you download all your digitals, clip your 5 off of 25 coupon, enter your number at the register, and watch your total drop. So the first deal I've came up with is two Kotex 22 count pads for $3.65, and two of those will be $7.30, and there's a $2 off coupon. The next thing you want to pick up is 3 Crest Pro Health toothpaste 4.8 ounce for $3 for $10.05, and you guys, there is a $5 off coupon off of 3 Crest. The next item would be 1 soft soap body wash for $5.25 with a $1 off coupon. And the last item would be 1 Purex 17 to 21 count packs for $3.50, and there's a $1.50 off coupon. Your total before coupons is $26.10. So as you see, we hit that $25 mark. Then you're going to want to subtract your $9.50 in coupons, and that brings you down to $16.60. Then after that, you're going to want to minus your 5 off of 25, and all of those items, all of those, I think 7 items, will come out to only $11.60 plus tax. That's $11.60 plus tax for all of these items right here. If you break it down even more, each item would only cost you $165 per item with the coupon. So you guys, $11.60 out of pocket plus tax for all of these items right here at Dollar General. Make sure you clip all your digitals and the 5 off of 25 coupon. Have a good day. And here you will find all of the coupons you need. The 5 off of 25, the $1 off of soft soap, the $5 off of Crest, the $2 off of Kotex pads, and the $1.50 off of Purex. Have a good one.